Hey everybody, it's me, Danjo. I'm here in Lauren's hometown of St. Louis, and we are on a quest to photograph fall foliage. So Lauren and I are here at Castlewood State Park in St. Louis on the quest for some fall foliage. Everything's a bit still like brown and green, but I think there are still some oranges and yellows and stuff around. A little nature walk, take some photos, get some fun shots.
I say we go this way.
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I mean, this is still really green.
Yeah, it is very green.
This is a real trail. Look at this.
It's mud? What would you call this?
Dirt.
Just dirt. I guess mud. Mud is just wet dirt.
Yeah.
So. When I go into vlog mode, I just get so stupid. What would you call this terrain? Dirt.
Switch pad, camera on, brain.
Thanks for putting up with me.
You're welcome.
I'm the worst. So we just took like a minute to sit and enjoy the sounds of all the birds and critters. Even though there's not a whole bunch of vibrant fall colors, it is still really pretty. So
This is mud.
oh, this isn't dirt. This is full on mud.
I don't want my rain boots.
Oh! Careful, baby. Oh man, that would have been bad.
I would have been so dirty.
Yep.
All right, now that just makes me nervous to come down.
Be careful.
If there's anyone who is really graceful, it's me. I'm gonna stay up here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, tennis shoes are ruined, for sure. Whoops. Oh well. It's just stuff.
What's that?
What is that?
I mean, touch it.
It sure is a caterpillar.
Is he okay?
I don't know.
He's not moving much. A bunch of bikes coming, baby, right now.
This poor guy. Might not be okay. There you go, buddy. We did our part.
Hopefully little buddy's okay. All right, so I'm pretty sure those are train tracks up there. Yeah, so even though we haven't seen a whole lot of colors, I'm pretty happy with just walking around nature. It's been yellows and greens, and that's pretty cool. You can start to see a little bit of orange past the railroad tracks. I'm excited, let's go check it out.
Private property, no trespassing. That's fine. We're just gonna take a couple photos.
And then get out of here. Oh boy.
This is steep.
At least we get to see a couple of fall colors from here. I think she's okay. Got a little chip on the skin. One of the propellers is a little messed up. Thankfully, no major damage. Whew.
Yeah.
Is that me?
Yeah,
that's me.
That looks like you, Danjo.
Hey guys. How you doing?
Cool. Dude, that lens is like
Right?
dark.
It's not too bad.
You have so the sun won't.
So this is, yeah, the ND filter right there.
Yup.
So you can just turn that to make it nice and dark. It's
Yeah.
nice.
What's up? My name's David.
Yo, this
How
is
are
David
you?
right here.
Yeah, so for this, you do a lot of traveling, huh?
Yeah, travel stuff, photography, all that kind of thing.
I've been to Bali.
Oh, sweet. You guys have been to Bali?
Yeah, I
you guys-
have. She has not.
Oh, you have not. Okay.
I have, and I have yet to post my videos too.
Well, cool, man. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you so much.
I watched your videos.
Yeah, thanks. I appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure.
Like and subscribe, guys.
See you guys.
I finally found some beautiful fall colors, just that it happens to be inside of...
Texas Roadhouse parking lot.
I was gonna say, is this fake? I thought it was fake for a second there. Good times. So now we are in Babler State Memorial Park, or Babler Memorial State Park. I'm not sure if we're getting a good bit of fall colors or if it's just the sunlight playing with the trees, but it's pretty. So we're gonna walk around and get a couple more photos here. We're chasing light now. We're getting some pretty cool colors, so I'm just gonna drive a little bit more. Alright, so the quest for fall foliage colors continues. Just walking around Lauren's neighborhood, there's a fair amount of color back here. Something that I didn't know, because I'm from Florida and I've never really experienced fall colors, is that the colors are based on how much rain or water the trees have been getting throughout the year. Thankfully here in the neighborhoods, you know, everything's been watered and maintained, so all the foliage is real pretty. That guy's got a nice red bush. There's no other meaning to that. All right, I've done as much as I can in this part of town. I believe the quest for fall foliage is still on. We're actually gonna take a look around some other state parks near St. Louis, so I'm excited to see what we can get. Let's call this part one of the quest for fall foliage. Which also, go ahead and tag me in some of your fall photos. I would love to see like some of the stuff that you've been able to catch. If you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button in the face, bang that bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
Will Danjo find fall colors? Subscribe and find out next week on the quest for fall.